What is cacao? Have you ever wondered which ingredients go into making chocolate? Would you be surprised to learn that one of the main ingredients is a kind of seed that looks like this? The seeds grow on cacao trees, which can be found in warm tropical regions, such as here in the Ivory Coast, which is on the west coast of Africa, nearly 3,000 miles away from the United Kingdom. They also grow in lots of other countries in the tropics, such as Ecuador, Brazil, and Indonesia. This is because all of these places are warm and humid. The cacao trees produce large, colourful pods that look like this, hard and melon-shaped. They grow straight from the trunk and larger branches of the trees. And once they have ripened from green to yellow, red or orange, the farmer knows they're ready for harvest. There are a few different varieties of cacao. The trees resemble apple trees and grow no more than 25 feet tall. The farmer harvests the cacao pods using a very sharp blade. It's hard work in the hot sun, but the farmers are very skilled. The pods are then cut open to reveal the white fleshy fruit and seeds inside. They typically contain more than 50 seeds each. As you can see, the fresh seeds don't look anything like chocolate at this point. They're not even brown in colour. The seeds are then taken to a processing house. First, the seeds are placed into wooden boxes like this and covered with large banana leaves to protect them. This process allows the seeds to develop a richer flavour and is known as fermentation. During fermentation, the seeds turn from white to brown. Once they are fermented, the next stage is to dry the seeds. This takes around a week, and during this process, the dried seeds lose so much water that they end up around half their original weight. They are now called cocoa beans and look like this. Next, the cocoa beans are roasted in a machine. Roasting makes sure that any bacteria that might be present is killed, and it also helps to give the beans a nice flavour and colour. The roasted beans are then winnowed. This process separates the outer husk so that only the inside remains. The inside is the most important part, as this is used to make the chocolate. The beans are then ground and heated so that they melt into what we call a chocolate liquor. Once the chocolate liquor has cooled down, it sets and becomes what is called cocoa mass. It is then ready to be transported by ship to factories all over the world, where it will be made into tasty chocolate for you to enjoy as a treat.